Hi, Cebu. I'm Sarah Enclona-Henderson, and I'm the founder and producing artistic director of Two Tin Cans Philippines. I'm here to answer 5 questions from Cebu Design Week. So having stayed at home for like the longest time ever, being able to stay for like 3 weeks, it's quite a challenge. But I think being able to pick up things that I've never tried doing before, or things that needed my attention, pause was really something that I have welcomed. So staying creative in terms of doing things for Two Tin Cans, we started a campaign to raise funds for PPEs for frontliners, and we called it Project Compassion. And in line with that, we started a page called Stories Up Front, which features frontliners and non-frontliners alike, sharing their stories, sharing their voices online. And because the theaters are closed and all our performances are put on hold and we don't know when we'll be able to go back on stage, we have come up with Musical Mondays and Theater Thursdays, and even a project called Art from the Heart. I think I'd be just so happy to be able to go out freely at any time. So the very first place that I'd be going is actually where my daughters would like to go. So I'll have to ask them where they'd like to go, and that's where we will be going. Another place that I'd like to go would be Manila, where my husband is at the moment, and I'd like to be able to visit him again. If not, he'd be visiting me first. I actually started buying plants and soil and seedlings and all that, and unlike others who probably went for food and alcohol, well, I didn't do that. Maybe because I've already done that like a week before. They actually put Cebu City on ECQ. I started just buying plants because I thought that it would be the best time to get busy with the garden. It's taught me to actually go back and to the question of what is essential. To not take things for granted, the simplest things, being able to go out, that freedom of just making the choice of when to leave the house, be able to see friends, see loved ones, being able to have a hug, kiss, holding hands. These were things that we could do freely in the past, just 2 months ago, and now we have to struggle. So I think it's just to not take things for granted, to actually give value to the connection that we have with other people. One thing that I cannot live without is the love from my family. That's it. I think when you have that, when you feel that, when you know that you have it, it's like you know that everything will be all right, everything will be fine. However, materialistically, I would say that the one thing that I cannot live without right now would be a very good internet connection. And I think we all know why that is.